How to grow your connections on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social networking platform for professionals where employers and employees converge, where businesses converge with other businesses to socialize and, of course, make more money. Are you on LinkedIn? Are you getting anything from LinkedIn? Can you even remember your password? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Emmanuel here, and I'm excited as always to have you back on the channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with us how to grow your connections on LinkedIn. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Just click on that subscribe button and remember to like and share the video, and of course if you have any question, use the comment section. Okay, number one is to optimize your profile, right? Optimize your profile. I know so many of us created an account on LinkedIn so many years back, so many months back. Maybe you can't even remember your password now, but go back and try to log in to your account and optimize your profile, all right? LinkedIn can do a lot for you. I mean, so many persons have gotten a job without even applying for one, because why? They have a good LinkedIn profile, all right? So number one is to optimize your profile, because if you're going to grow your connection, people want to also, everybody's looking to connect with somebody valuable. So your profile, if it's not optimized, it might not present you as somebody who's going to add any value to the other person, right? It's possible you have done a lot, but those things, they are not well optimized. They are not captured the way they are supposed to be on your account. So you optimize your profile from your LinkedIn banner, the cover, the profile picture, then all your about you, your headline, educational qualification, your skills and certification, and all the skills you have. Everything should be optimized, right? That is the first thing, because if you don't do that, nobody will want to connect with you. Okay, so optimize your profile, number one. Number two is to start connecting with the people that know you. Okay, so the way LinkedIn is built is that you connect with people that you know before looking for people that you don't know, right? So you first start connecting with people you know. And who are those people? Number one is your colleagues in the office, right? Professionals like you, your current colleagues, your former colleagues, right? Your classmates, and people you know. So you start connecting. You search for them on LinkedIn. You connect with them. So those ones will not have any issue connecting with you, because they will see your name. They already know you. It's very easy. They connect with you. So with that, you can build your connection to up to a point, because one, your profile is already optimized. Now you have connected with some people you know. The next thing is to now start connecting with other people, right? You have connected with people you know. You will now start connecting with other people. And how do you do that? You use what is called personalized messages, right? If you want to connect with people that don't know you, you connect with them using personalized message. That means you have to send them a personal, what I call a personal love letter. I'm just joking, all right? So you send them a message that shows you appreciate what they are doing, right? Of course, you must have checked their profile. It's a very tedious one, but it will get you good. I can guarantee you the results, because I use it. It works like fire. You know, my country, they say like fire. It works very well. That's what I mean, right? It's something that works very well. Okay, so you send them a message. You first of all search for them. When you get the people you want to connect with, for instance, let's say I want to connect with lawyers in California. So I can search for lawyers in California, and I see some profiles I like. I want to connect with them. I click on the name of the person, right? When I get to the person's page, I will connect with the person. If there's no connect, you click on more. There's a more button. You click on that more button, you see connect. And when you click that connect, you see add a personal message. That's the trick, right? You add a personal message. For instance, you can say, "Hi Joe, right? My name is Emmanuel. I hope you are doing great today. I saw your profile and wow, it's looking awesome. You stand out. I saw a lot of things I like about you, and I like to connect. That's all. As simple as that. You send that message, everybody love praises, everybody love appreciation, everybody love it when somebody tells them something nice. That's the trick. So just tell them something nice, right? Tell them something about, don't go out, don't start flattering them, telling them no. Just look at their profile. There was something good you can find there, and just use that, And when they see, they will love it, and they will just connect, right? So I give you an assignment now. Do it to 20 accounts every single day. And before you know it, you have your 500 plus connections and your account will start looking beautiful. Okay? So that's number 3. Number 4 is engage with your connections. It's not enough to connect with people. You need to engage. Sometimes they will reply you and say thanks. Right? Is there anything I can do for you? Or what do you do? Or so you need to now engage with them, because your building connection on LinkedIn is not just for building sake, it's for business. And for socialize, you want to socialize in order to expand your connection, to build more business, to make more money, or just for friendship, all right? Or for partnership. You can find people you partner with on LinkedIn, okay? So engage with your connection, talk with them, send them message, because once somebody is connected with you, you can now send the person a personalized message, right? Without any restrictions. Okay, number 5 is create valuable content. Right? Because that's another thing that can even make other people to try to connect with you. People can find your content and they will just want to connect. Why? They love your content. Just like you're watching this video now, maybe after watching the video, you like the video, you subscribe to the channel. That's like building a connection between us. Alright? So people can watch your video on LinkedIn and they say, oh, I want to connect. And they connect with you. So create valuable content. The next one, number 6, is use LinkedIn Premium. Okay, so LinkedIn Premium is a business feature, kind of, on LinkedIn. It's a paid version of a paid feature on LinkedIn that gives you access to some other tools, like allowing you to send message to somebody you are not connected with, to send direct message to them, allowing you to learn on LinkedIn platform for free. There's a whole lot, right? You can try it out. LinkedIn gives you, I think it's 30 days, try out for 30 days. So you can try LinkedIn Premium and also use it to gain more connection, because if you're on LinkedIn Premium and you try to connect with somebody, man, if they see the LinkedIn Premium badge on your profile, is another reason so many people will just like to connect with you, because they feel, well, if this guy can afford LinkedIn Premium, he must be a valuable person, because everybody's running away from anybody who's not going to add anything to their life. Yes. Would you like somebody who will not add anything to your life? So everybody's looking for a valuable person. So having a LinkedIn Premium badge on your account, on your profile, will make you stand as a valuable person, luxurious person, kind of, so they will just connect. All right, so finally, number 7, be deliberate with your objectives. Let's say your objective is, I want to gain 100 connections every week. Be deliberate. That means you need to send out some messages. You need to send out some personal messages to how many persons maybe 20 every week. You need to be deliberate to do it, because if you don't do it deliberately, you're not going to get any results. So even all these things I've listed, you need to implement them deliberately. That means you know what you want to achieve, you are doing it deliberately, right? Like somebody waking up every 5 a.m. Wake up, you make your bed, you wake up, you make your bed, you are deliberate, or you are going out to exercise, so you are doing it deliberately, all right? So that is how you build your connection. If you implement what I've just shown you, within 30 days maximum, you cross 500. I can guarantee you that. Implement it, give yourself a 30-day challenge. 20 accounts, reach 20 accounts every day. Send 20 messages every day. And in 30 days, you are good with 500 plus. Yes. Just try it out. So guys, that is it. If it's valuable, like always, the video is valuable, what do? If you have already subscribed, congratulations and thank you. Thank you so much. And of course, if you're subscribed, you share and like the video. If you have not, subscribe, so that whenever we release a video, you will get a notification. And of course, like I say, we release a video every single day, Monday to Sunday. I'll see you again tomorrow in another valuable video.